Yes, hello, good morning. Annabel Hipolito Medal po, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Our step-by-step tutorial for today is for the second step sa pagpa-fund request na hindi po nag-push through. So, may second step po tayo, di po ba? So, login po tayo. So, nandito na ako. So, ito na po tayo fund request para mas mabilis. So, sinabi dito, kung nagkamali po tayo, so, push through po natin yung second step. Pag sa second step po dyan, kailangan daw po yung reference number, lagyan ng X sa unahan, and then yung number po, fund type, e-cash, kung online po is online, kung ano naman po, sa bank deposit dyan sa Pilipinas, pwede din po. Then branch is online po, kasi po online po yung ginamit namin. Then amount is 10K po. And then date po is yesterday po ito. Then, okay, yung date po nito is 5 in the afternoon for 55. Then, okay po natin for transaction for this account. Okay, then submit natin po. Then magkakaroon po tayo dyan ng tracking number. So yun po yung ibibigay natin na ating sa CSR, which is madali naman po. Another transaction po yan. Another video tutorial naman po for how to contact the CSR. Yun lang po, and I hope may na-import akong learning for today. Just wait for another few hours, then sure papasok na po yung ating load or mag-CSR po tayo kung anong response po ng ating CSR. Once again, Annabel Hipolito Medelfo, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Good morning!